In AutoCAD, an arc is a curved line created using various methods, typically defining a start point, center, and end point, or angle/radius/length, found under the Draw panel on the Home tab. To create arc, with 3 points. Type ARC, enter. Specify start point, click on Drawing Area. Specify second point, click on Drawing Area. And specify end point, click on Drawing Area. To create arc, from center point. Type ARC, enter. Specify start point, type C, enter. Specify center point, click on Drawing Area. Specify first point, click on Drawing Area. Specify end point, click on Drawing Area. To create arc, with end point. Type ARC, enter. Specify start point, click on Drawing Area. Specify second point, type E, enter. And click on Drawing Area. Type R, enter, to specify radius. Set radius, enter. As practice. Create rectangle, with size. Length 50. Press Tab button. Width 50. Enter. Create rectangle, sort mouse to bottom left corner. Hold until you see endpoint mark. Move cursor to bottom, set distance 20, enter. Set, length 50, press Tab button. Width 50, enter. Type ARC, enter. Click middle point, on left line. Click middle point, on top line. Click middle point, on right line. Type arc, enter. Type C, enter. Click on center point, box 2. Click midpoint line right, press Ctrl dot to reverse. Click midpoint line top. Type arc, enter. Click on top left corner box 2. Type E, enter. Click on bottom right corner box 1. Type R, enter. Set radius 90. Enter.